The Leguan 190 has been a great addition to the Brisbane Tree Experts fleet. It's not only improved work efficiency but longevity of the crew. One of the most important things that I was looking at when we purchased the machine was narrow access. You know, we work in Brisbane CBD here, so not every job, not every tree is accessible with large machines. A lot of the time it's climbing. With 9+ metres of side reach from the turret, it really allows us to get out over pools, tennis courts, fences. It's user friendly. Anybody that hasn't used a spider or a boom lift, EWP, whatever you want to call it, with the right coaching from someone that's qualified, it is quite user friendly. With the way that the Leguan's set up, you can feather those controls to make really fine adjustments, because when you're up that high, the smallest amount of movement can really swing you around, and it can be quite daunting. It's quite smart, it's quite clever. You know, it'll warn you, it'll let you get to the point, and then that's it. You can't override it. So you know you've either got to go higher, move the tower, or completely rearrange the job. Why would I recommend the Leguan? Access and side reach. Some of the jobs that we've completed with the tower, I couldn't have put a climber in it. If I don't feel safe climbing it, I wouldn't expect my guys to climb it.